plate number. I got.
Darren Malkavian has incredible guitar licks. And Serge's vocal delivery is spectacular. Man, that guy streaming looks like he's having a better time than me. Oh, shit! No! 885-562-711! 885-562-711! 885-562-711! 885-562-711! Lock plate! Write that the fuck down! 885-562-711! 885-562-711! God damn it. Someone just got run the fuck over. 885-562-711. White guy, beard, white hat, dually, pickup truck. Fuck. Got to get to the damn hospital. Fuck! Fuck. 885-562-711. Yo, that was on stream, right? I can't see. They're...
Is there a medical over there? Can someone confirm that there is a medical?
Shit! No! 885-562-711! 885-562-711! 885-562-711! 885-562-711! Lock plate! Write that the fuck down! 885...
Nothing's happening. Oh, a car. Oh, shit. Oh. That black truck drove through the crowd, bro. Did you hit somebody? Fuck. On chase, bro. Shit. Get in the car, man. That girl in the back's gonna fall out the car, bro. Oh shit, look at the street. Did they run over somebody? I hope they didn't fucking run over somebody. It looked like a black Excursion or a fucking big ass F-350 truck. Hell no, bro. Fuck that, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. Here's the glass.
Give them space, back up, give them
If you're not being used, medical service. This guy got hit too. And
Please stand the fuck back. Give them 50 feet. If you do not know how to take care of somebody's life, stand back. Stand back.
did you get a look at the guy that was driving?
No, he ran me over.
He ran over your foot?